That factory winch mount in the front bumper? Chevy just changed midsize off-road. There is one factory decision in this Colorado Terra HD that no midsize truck in America has delivered at this price. Not Tacoma TRD Pro, not Ranger Raptor. I will show you exactly what it is before this video ends. But first, the $58 question. Whether the Terra HD is worth it depends entirely on how you use a midsize truck. Weekend trail runner needing genuine extraction hardware? The math is very different than a buyer who wants the look. Trail mission without modifications? That is this truck's argument. This video covers exterior, full interior spec, powertrain, and the origin story. One thing up front, this brief did not start in a standard Colorado cycle. Stay with me. Everyone focuses on those aggressive MT tires and significant lift. That is not the most important decision here. The critical element is the factory integrated winch mount in the front bumper, rated pull hardware built into the production structure. Factory winch integration requires front frame rails designed to accept extraction loads without a secondary mounting system. Tacoma TRD Pro does not. Ranger Raptor does not. Speculative tech number 1. Active winch load path management. Strain sensors at the front frame rail junction detect pull vector angle and alert the driver when extraction exceeds the frame's rated lateral limit. The engineering logic eliminates blind angle pull damage. What it closes is the leading cause of frame distortion in self-recovery on steep lateral grades. The cabin makes a different argument. Full Alcantara across both door inserts, the armrest, and the upper seat bolster. Dark charcoal suede with Colorado embossed in silver on the dash panel. That specification in a midsize sits closer to a Porsche Cayenne GTS than the Tacoma TRD Pro. The Portrait Trail navigation screen is the correct call. Topographic overlay with live compass, pitch and roll indicators, and orange route tracing on terrain contour. Trail-specific UI, not road navigation repurposed. Speculative tech number 2. Grade-aware suspension preview. Topographic map data feeds grade angle to the adaptive suspension controller, pre-adjusting damper stiffness 150 meters before a grade change registers on the vehicle's sensors. The engineering logic removes the reactive delay. What it eliminates is the pitch transition every trail truck currently produces at the first summit. Missed the mark, the instrument cluster reads small against the portrait screen beside it. A full-width curved digital display would complete this cockpit brief. Tacoma TRD Pro runs a similarly inadequate cluster, despite a higher interior spec ambition. The exterior is where this brief's origin becomes unmistakable. This brief did not begin with "Build a better ZR2." It began with Ford Ranger Raptor arriving in the US market in 2023 and immediately owning the premium midsize off-road conversation, a segment Colorado had led for 2 years. The brief was not "Match Raptor's suspension." It was "Build a midsize with factory extraction hardware Raptor cannot answer without becoming a different truck." Every exterior decision reflects that. Front bumper, integrated winch mount at center, wide lower clearance, black composite skid protection. Grille, bow tie centered on dark bar structure, all black mesh. Hood, subtle power dome for intake clearance. Fenders, wide black composite flares adding genuine trail clearance at each corner. Wheels, black multi-spoke alloy, aggressive MT rubber with tall sidewall, estimated 17 to 18 inches. Trail diameter, not cosmetic. Rear, bow tie badge on tailgate, full-width LED tail lamps, dual exhaust tips at bumper corners. Every exterior element is load path functional. Nothing added for visual effect that does not serve trail approach, departure, or recovery purpose. Powertrain. Engine. 2.7-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder. 310 horsepower. 390 pound-feet of torque. 8-speed automatic. 4-wheel drive standard. That torque available from under 2,000 RPM means confident crawl speed on loose rock without throttle aggression, the characteristic that causes wheel spin on wet sandstone. Speculative tech number 3. Terrain Coefficient Torque Mapping. The system reads surface type via wheel speed differential patterns and pre-selects one of 8 torque maps before the driver manually selects trail mode. Ford Ranger Raptor's terrain modes require manual selection per surface. This pre-selects based on detected condition. What it eliminates is the 30 to 60 second recalibration delay at every surface transition. Against Ford Ranger Raptor at $56,000, no factory winch, landscape screen, no torque mapping, Raptor closes on suspension travel and proven desert pedigree. Against Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro at $60,000, no factory winch, conventional navigation, Tacoma closes on long-term reliability and resale reputation. Engineering case complete. Financial case next. Now, here's what I actually think, completely straightforward. That Ranger Raptor brief explains every decision made here. The winch mount, the Alcantara, the portrait trail screen, the torque mapping, all traced to one objective. Give a Raptor buyer a real reason to consider Colorado instead. Whether Chevy closed that gap depends entirely on whether extraction hardware matters more than proven desert suspension travel. Expect the 2027 Colorado Terra HD between $55,000 and $61,000 configured. Ford Ranger Raptor opens at $56,000. Proven desert hardware, no factory winch. Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro opens at $60,000. Long reliability record, no factory extraction integration. Standard Colorado ZR2 opens at $46,000. The $9,000 to $15,000 Terra HD Premium delivers the factory winch mount, Alcantara interior, portrait trail navigation, and terrain torque mapping. For buyers planning 4 to 5 years, factory-differentiated Colorado off-road trims retain 55 to 60% of MSRP at 48 months. Midsize off-road trucks consistently outperform full-size equivalents at trade-in on a percentage basis. The factory winch mount carries a used market premium aftermarket installs cannot replicate. If you need a mid-size daily driver performing genuine extractions on technical terrain without modification, this is the correct truck. If proven desert pedigree and suspension travel at the limit are your primary metrics, Ranger Raptor delivers more, measurably. What the Colorado Terra HD earns its premium through is extraction capability, factory hardware, factory UI, factory torque management from one brief. That factory winch mount was not designed for looks. It was designed for the moment you are sideways on a grade with no signal. If you have run serious trail in a Tacoma TRD Pro or Ranger Raptor, I genuinely love your perspective. $58,000 for this Terra HD with factory extraction or $56,000 for the Raptor. Next, the 2027 Colorado ZR2 versus this Terra HD. Same platform, different mandate. Subscribe so you do not miss it.